Subscribe Fitness Friend YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Right now I am going to share you something which is very important for the aging process and health too. Guys, I am talking about NAD, means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Guys, NAD is a molecule that helps your body for metabolize foods, create energy and produce and repair cells. NAD levels decline the age and maintaining higher levels of it, and it could help for the slow aging process. Guys, nutritious foods, especially those rich in vitamin B, can help your body to create, store and use NAD. NAD is very important component for every person who wants to look young, and NAD is also works for your health. So guys, you need to know about it. Now I am going to share you some points which can increase the levels of NAD. Guys, our first point is eat more raw foods that contains vitamin B. Friends, vitamin B are found in many foods and they help to increase NAD levels. However, they are delicate and are easily to destroyed by cooking or processing. While foods that need to be cooked can still provide vitamin B. You should still include raw options in your diet such as peanuts, avocados, sunflower seeds, etc. Let's come to the second point. Guys, swap white flours, bread and rice for their whole grain counterparts. Guys, I have told you before that the processing can destroy the vitamin B from foods. And whole grain foods are more nutritious, so choose whole grain or multigrain bread instead of white bread. And go for brown rice instead of white rice. Let's come to the third point. Go for fortified breakfast cereals. Guys, unsweetened cereals are healthy breakfast option. And this is the richest sources of vitamin B3. Having milk with your cereals is even more beneficial. And cow's milk also contains vitamin B3 which your body converts into NAD. Let's come to the fourth point. Guys, drink 2 to 3 glasses of milk fortified with vitamin D per day. Friends, vitamin D helps enhance your body ability to store and use NAD. Vitamin B, which are also found in milk, help to boost NAD levels. Let's come to the fifth point. Guys, eat healthy proteins such as poultry, fish, nuts, mushrooms and eggs. Friends, lean protein are good sources of vitamin B. While red meat also contains vitamin B, eating a serving or more of red meat per day may increase your risk of cardiovascular disease, especially if it's processed red meat. Guys, try having a 85 grams serving of chicken's breast along with health side dishes for lunch or dinner. And other serving options could be 1 to 2 eggs or 2 tablespoons of unsalted peanuts. Let's come to the sixth point. Guys, you can make side dishes with lentils and lima beans. Friends, lentils are versatile and easy to cook. You can make lentil soups, make warm or cold lentil salad, mix them with brown rice or serve them in dozens of other dishes. Guys, lima beans are also quick and easy like lentils and are great sources of the nutrients that increase NAD levels. Guys, let's come to the second last point. Friends, eat healthy unsaturated fat in moderation. Guys, a diet that's high in fat and sugar can decrease NAD levels and interfere with the metabolic process that involves the NAD molecule. Guys, your body does need a moderate amount of healthy fats, so include a small amount of unsaturated fats derived from plants in your diet. Guys, salad or 2 tablespoons of peanut butter are good sources of healthy unsaturated food. Guys, let's come to the 8th point and last point. Friends, get at least 30 minutes of exercise per day. Guys, among a host of other benefits, regular exercise stimulates the productions of NAD and boosts your metabolism and can improve your body's ability to repair damaged DNA. Most adults should get at least 30 minutes of daily exercise. Guys, aerobic exercise is especially beneficial to your overall health. So try to go for a walk or yoga, swimming or cycling every day. Guys, time has been come to end this video now, but remember one thing, that cut down your consumptions of alcoholic beverages or not all work could be unsuccessful. Friends, if you think this video is valuable for you, then please like and share our video and subscribe this channel with bell icon. Thank you very much.